Hey everybody, today we are showing you how to take your old, weathered, nasty deck and turn it into a beautiful, stained deck just like ours. It's gonna look awesome just like ours. Let's show you how to do it. The first step when you're going to stain your deck is to take everything off. You need to give yourself a blank slate to work with. Once everything is taken off your deck, grab a paint scraper and use that to get everything that's nasty and junky out from between the gaps of your boards. Trust me, there's a lot in there that you don't know about. Next, use a 60 or 80 grit sandpaper with an orbital sander to clean up all of your boards. You just want to get everything, all the grime and grit off of there. You don't necessarily need to take them all the way down to smooth. Remember, this is going to be your last chance to get anything off that you don't want to stain in. Now's the fun part and the fast part. Once you've taped off and used brown paper or newspaper to cover up all your edges, it's time to stain. Fill your paint sprayer with outdoor stain and sealant and work slowly back and forth across all boards until you've covered all the gaps and all the edges. Work smoothly and slowly from both sides, from side to side, until you've covered your entire deck. Using a sprayer to refinish your old deck really is the best way to go. It gives you a nice, even, measured finish and really brings back to life an old deck that looks weathered. If your boards are still good, all you have to do is add a new coat of stain. To see more, go to charlestoncrafted.com and see the full process.